How to embroider. Many amigurumi projects require embroidered facial features or decorative patterns. The tutorial below uses kitten whisker embroidery as a demonstration. Plan the order of your needle insertion and exit points first. The insertion and exit sequence for stitching the kitten's whiskers is shown in figure. Thread your embroidery floss onto a needle. Your initial needle insertion can be made into any stitch. Insert the needle into your chosen starting stitch. Then pull the yarn tail out at position 2. Insert the needle at position 3, then pull the yarn tail out at position 4. Repeat this sequence until you have finished stitching all of the kitten's whiskers. Last, insert the needle at position 9, then pull the yarn tail out at position 1. Tie the two tails together with knots. Then hide the knotted tails completely inside the amigurumi piece. Your embroidery is complete.